Hello and welcome back. Just a quick update to say, day before yesterday I dug a trench. Yesterday I took 4 hours to mix the concrete and backfill us to about a foot deep, steel reinforced. And to all the bricklayers out there, eat your heart. I know it's shit. Before anyone says anything, yeah, these are my plumb lines. I'll take you through the logic of it all. Plumb line there, against that wall, going to the edge of that wall. That determines that them two are in line. I can take that measurement from that plumb line to the edge of this form here to determine that is 100 mil, 4 inches back, which is where it should be because those faces of those sandstone are 4 inches, 100 mil. This wall is 20 inches and a half thick. It is. From there to there, 20 inches and a half thick, and from the outer wall to the inner wall is 20 inches and a half thick, so I know how thick it is. I want to set the block 7 inches back from the outer plumb line. Yeah. So that one is 7 inches back, that is 4. This is just under 3. So it now makes 7 inches with that little bit of space left there. Here's a bit harder. I only need it to plumb line the first block. It's all been encased in stone. I'm not building. If I was building just up in a block wall, I've built garages before and I've laid them out a lot better than this. But this is just an inner wall. As long as it's pretty much where I want it to be, straight, I can tie it into that. That's all I'm interested in. So that is those two plumb lines now are 7 inches apart. Right? And the inner section there is the wood. That section there is 7 inches apart. That is vertical. That triangle going down, and also that is vertical. That is 7 inches apart from there to there. So that means that them two are 7 inches, them two are 7 inches, and these are the remainder, which is roughly logic goes 7, 13 and a half from the inner plumb line to the outer plumb line, and again from the inner plumb line to the outer plumb line. Yeah, 13 and a half. Which makes it 20 and a half inches wide. That's what it is. I didn't build this wall. That's all that wall is at the major measure. Just putting back what was there. So now you can see it's bloody raining. Yeah, rather. All I'm doing today, we've got to go somewhere. I'm just going to lay a couple of blocks. It's supposed to stop raining next day, so just drizzling a bit. So I'm just going to lay these blocks along here against the plumb line. Now I determine that tomorrow it's supposed to be dry, so I shall get some more blocks up and some of the other water. Because I've got that big stone there to go in. Base stone, and then I've got a small block map to go in, and we'll build some of that, and we'll build some of this. But anyway, just an update to show you the logic in all this. I know bricklayers probably think it's a bloody nightmare, but the outer one is plumbed to the building. So this wall will be in line with that wall. This wall will be in line with that wall. That's 20 and a half inches wide. So the inner one is just a rough one. Although it is 7 inches, like I say, it is 7 inches right. But I know it's not how it would be normally set up. But, look at the state of that. I've got a joint. It's a stone building. I mean, nothing's straight and level around this place. Anything I do is probably better than was done. So even if it isn't quite perfect, it's more perfect. I mean, hey, this house was just built on dirt. I mean, the foundation stone was about as thick as that. There, about 2 inches thick, laid across on here. So this chain reinforced concrete foundation is 10 times better than what it had. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm just going to stone this off. I'll bring you back and show you a bit of what I've done. I've done it. I've got to go out in a couple of hours, so just about an hour and a half work to do this. Give or take a bit, maybe a bit quicker, but see where it goes. Which was the rain would naff off. It's right dripping on the bloody foundation, which is going to cause a bit of a problem. But it is supposed to stop in the next half hour. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Take care and speak to you soon. Bye. It's still drizzling here a little bit. Not as bad as what it was. Makes it difficult when you're trying to put the base, set of concrete blocks down. But anyway, just to show you where I'm up to, I'm only doing this. I need to go out now, like I said before. Yeah, that's in line all the way down. Ignore the gap between the line and the block. Push it out and go back in there. So obviously that's that in line there. That's the door frame square to the thumb line, which is square to the wall. The same distance from the door frame here to here. As on the other side, the same width of the wall. It will be when I put the silicone block outside, and not today because it's still raining. I'll do it tomorrow. And then this is set to a degree. Tomorrow I'll start building this up, hopefully get another, probably about 6 up if I can, 5 to 6 layers, which would be about halfway-ish. And get that up, get the sandstone block in, get a small sandstone block in, maybe get some stones laid, on the outside. Depends on the day goes, depends on the weather as well. So not so bad on the inside, it's dry, obviously. That roof there is dripping just there. So I've got a piece of gutter in trying to funnel it, but it's not doing a great job. I need a longer piece of gutter in to funnel it, but then it still wants to drip back in anyway. So yeah, finally losing that. But never mind. It's just the things way it's just the way things are, unfortunately. This will set off. It'll go off anyway. It takes 28 days for these lines to set to 4-5 months, but it's fine. It'll go off. That's all mortared up to there, into that wall. Next block will be mortared up to it. After that, I will try and clean that wall out and tie the next block in. There's not a lot I can do with the base stone. There's not a lot I can do with that one. But the third block should be able to tie in. I may have to trim it down a little bit, but it should be tight into the wall bit. So, but anyway, that's all I'm doing for today. Everything's laid out. I'll probably take this line down on the inside. We don't really need any done on it. I'll continue with the line up with the 3 blocks every so often. Probably not the third block, make sure it's all in line. And the line outside I'll probably leave because I'm going to put the sandstone block in line with it and have to build the wall up and try and get it in line. I mean, they're not, stone walls are not perfectly square, especially these, but they need to follow, if you know what I mean. They need to follow a certain. Well, they need to be decent, so. Anyway, I'll probably leave that. But anyway, me jabbering on kind of crap. So, thanks very much for watching and leaving it there for today. And I'll see you all again soon. Alright, take care. Hello and welcome. Just a quick video to show you where I'm up to with this wall. That's about 5 foot. Needs obviously doing the rest of it. Been tying it into a wall there. You can see. I need to pour some mortar down there. I haven't done that last brick, or block I should say, but it has been tied in. Obviously it's got a stone wall to go on the inside of it yet. I showed you that before. So what the plan is to get this wall up to height, stone on the inside, put the concrete lintels above the door, and then go up a bit further, finish it off as much as I can do, up to the beams, along there, past, I've got a lintel in there, I've got one lintel above that window, where you can see that it's a bit dark over there, but where you can see spirit level, and to go right to the, where you can see that new wood, that used to be a doorway, along there, get all that level, get all that finished off on the inside. I get this wall finished basically. I'm outside, I'll show you what I'm doing outside. Stonework, as I say, rebuilding the stone wall. It does delve down. This was always higher and sloped in. This concrete here, I'm going to take up and lower it. I'm also going to lower some of that as well, because it's been made higher. As you can see, it's higher there, so I'm going to lower it probably by about a foot. Scrape it and get it level here. Keeps the water away from the house, be drained away from the So just at the moment, I'm just stoning that up there. You can see. Just go a bit deeper. That's where the foundation is. Just got me gum lining. It's bulging out slightly because that stone's dipped out slightly. I'm not bothered about that. I'm going to move it up anyway. We're using this piece of wood you can see here. So I can put that piece of wood against that sandstone there, and against that corner there, that sandstone there. And that gives me a decent line to keep all these blocks in line and vertical. Can't really use a spirit level too well because they're all different shapes and sizes. Stone is, and they stick out a little bit here and there. So as long as it's basically in line, and I know that block is level going up. I've checked these blocks; they're level going up. So as long as I keep within these two sandstone corners, and with a piece of wood as a guide, you get pretty much a straight block, like I have done on that side there, because that's all me. As you can see there. So once I've got this up to about here, somewhere in about there or there, which is about 2 more of these sandstone blocks up, I'll stop, and then obviously I'll finish off this wall up to the roof, which should go up just to where the floor is up there, so the start of the floor, all that remains of it anyway. Hoping to get the roof off in the next month, finish off everything. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. It's just a short update today, not a lot. Cheers. I might put you on time lapse and show you a bit of me sitting here for hours at end, placing stones and stoning up. I'm sure, well, I hope you enjoy it as much as I don't. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Bye. Good afternoon. Just thought I'd do a quick video on what I'm about to do. As you can see, I'm stoning up that wall there. Getting the patio doors. Stoned up that wall. That is for a heat exchanger. But anyway, I digress as usual. In that wall there that I'm working on, I did find a horseshoe, which is there. You can see it too clearly. Found a key in the property and a lady's shoe. And some other old bits of clothes and such like. So I'm going to put the horseshoe back where in the wall I found it. I'm also putting the key in there and the lady's shoe in the wall. So if you bear with me, I'll put you on the tripod and you can watch me fit them in the wall and hopefully start them up. Apologies, I do not like whatever I don't don't like electronics, but you probably know that anyway. So anyway, let's get on with this. I can remember where I put them because I did have them all set in the wall. Let's go back to this. You can watch the back of my head. As they say. Horseshoe. Key. Went there. Lady's shoe. Went there. moved.